Beludar sir is also one of the jury members who have been continuous support, given support to Power Grid and one of the technocrat from this jury member. Thank you sir, thank you very much. Now I would like
तो स्पीकरच्या साईडीत पण लागले आहे माईक करता ऐकलं पाहिजे.
थँक्यू.
Cut off the mobile. If you can limit the mobile time to screen hours to 3 hours, better. Let the child develop in other fields.
All the children today are aware about fossil fuels. They are well equipped, but still it is necessary that we tell them what is fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is something got from earth, whether it's coal, wood, or petrol or diesel. Everything comes from earth. Once we use it, you cannot replace it. It is burnt. Replenishing that is not possible. So what we intend to do the future times to come is use replaceable fuels. What is replaceable fuels? Non-fossil fuels. Non-fossil fuel means what? It could be solar, which is replenished. It could be wind. It could be tidal energy, or it could be oxygen, hydrogen, which can be used for generating power. So the moment you shift from using fossil fuels to reusable fuels, the earth becomes a better place to live. It becomes more sustainable. So the intent has to be understood by children. The why we are trying to do this painting competition, it is they who are going to be the leaders of the future. They have to understand that our intent is to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels across the world, across the country as well as the world. So this is a small way from Power Grid to nurture this talent, for them to understand that we have to make energy usage more efficient. By their talent, they are drawing pictures, showing to everybody. A picture speaks larger than number of words. Today, when you open a paper, what you attracts to you is a small cartoon. Everybody would like to see a cartoon of what is being depicted. The painter's opinion in that cartoon reaches everybody. Many people will not spend time going through all the article, but definitely the picture speaks larger. So we need to nurture this talent of painters as well as various art issues so that they can do better. Press journalists who are present to see to it that talent grows up and becomes a bigger canvas in the entire country. Goa, we have got a lot of painters. I have visited the museum. I have come to this place after 50 years. I was just sharing with the jury members. I have joined my schooling in this Goa only. After 50 years, I have come to this place. There's a lot of talent in this place that needs to come out. So I would request all the art teachers who are present here to nurture their students with the basic things, like our jury members have told, make them paint, give them time, train them, so that whatever awareness is there in their minds, it comes out in the sort of paintings in a better way. They have done very good paintings. I have been able to see few of the paintings. It's very good. They can do much better also with slight support from teachers as well as jury members. We were having about 5 minutes discussion with the jury members. They could tell their heart out. What they said was, the talent is there amongst all the children. Only thing, it has to be guided so that they can do better. Slight support is there, wherein what we thought is first level, the support is the school should identify good people who have got inclination. That role goes to the teachers. The art teachers from the schools should take that initiative to develop and identify good painting disciples, artists. Once that is done, Power Grid will enter in this area in a slight way. We will identify some good artists who can coach them in a workshop. Our artists will go to the workshop, schools identify on a particular day and give them coaching how they can improve their paintings.
In fact, the entire, other than the science, BSc, MSc, and BA or BCom, other than that, all admissions we are dealing with. Of late, there has been a small shift. One is the students are not looking at sports and not looking at arts, not looking at music as a hobby or as a career. Please encourage, give them some opportunity to your child. In Goa, there are many seats and many opportunities now. Even in the engineering, we have 300, 400 seats vacant. But that doesn't mean that you push your child towards a field which they are not comfortable with. Because I have been associated with this competition for 4th year now, and there is a lot of talent. Even in music, there is talent. Dance, theatre art is talent. So don't look at only few fields. A few more requests. After 5 o'clock, keep your mobile. Take the mobile out of the child's hand. If it
हांवूच जवळ 5 ते 6 वर्सां येता एज ए ज्युरी म्हणून जज आनी हांवें एक गोश्ट पळयल्या की हळू आमचो प्रोग्रेस बरोच जाला आनी आयचे ह्या वर्साचे कॉन्टेस्टंट कमी आसले बिकॉज ऑफ पॅन्डेमिक्स हे आमी समजून घेतले पण जनरली पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार 20 ते 30 हजार पर्यंत आमचे एंट्रीज आयल्या आनी आय वॉज थ्रिल्ड वीथ दॅट एक्सपिरियन्स हांवें प्रत्येक कडेन गेलो तेन्ना सांगलेलें की एखादें ऑर्गनायझेशन गोंयान अशा पद्दतीचें जर कार्य करता हें गोंयकारां खातीर आनी गोंयच्या भुरग्यां खातीर खूब स्तुत्य आसा हो उपक्रम तांचो ताज्या नंतर उत्तरोत्तर ताणें बक्षिसाची रक्कमूय वाडयल्या ताज्या नंतर एनकरेजमेंट वाडयत आसा आमची सजेशनां घेतली and whatever was possible within the legal framework they must have definitely done. I am thankful to the chairperson रवींद्र कुमार की ताणें जवळ सगळीच्या सगळी सजेशनां एक्सेप्ट केल्या आनी म्हाका खूब खोशी जाता तुमकां सांगपाक की ह्या वर्सा ताणें इवन टिचरांक फेलिसिटेट करचें असो विचार समोर दवरला आनी बाकीच्यो गोश्टी ज्यो अश्यो आसा की तातूंत तांकां पेपर दिवचो स्कुलांनी वर्कशॉपा खातीर आमचे रिसोर्स पर्सन धाडचे हातूंत एकूच फायदो जातलो गोंयच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यां खातीर आनी स्कुला खातीर तांकां न्ही ट्रेनींग मेळटली आनी आमचे कडेन फुडें जी पळय बक्षिसाची हें येतली ती लायनेज न्ही एकदम बरी आसतली इतलें सो हांव तरी खूब खोशे आसा एंड आय कॅन से दीस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ अदर जजीस ऑल्सो मॅनेजमेंट इज ऑल हियर थँक्यू
Anil Babu Naik.
आज मी प्रोग्राम
Anil Babu Naik, Nodal Officer for this Goa State painting competition.
How many years you are conducting this in this type of program? How many years?
Yeah, more than 10 to 12 years we are conducting. The Power Grid is a nodal agency for this Goa State, and this is being conducted on behalf of actually Bureau of Energy Efficiency under Ministry of Power. This every year. This is one of the activity for bringing the awareness among the children and including public regarding requirement of conservation of energy for future India.
How the response of students?
The response is good, and this time because of the pandemic, actually we directly only 2 stages are there: school level and national level, state level and national level. So this time at school level we were not conducted because the time was very short, duration was there, and now actually the state level also nice response was there. And nearly around 1,100 students have participated in that against the registration of 2,340 something.
But I think you should take some information of Power Grid.